Good morning, everybody. It is day 80 and I am already soaked with sweat. Left the my tent site at the Brown Mountain Creek shelter, something like that, about 2 miles ago. And it is just so hot and humid. I'm so sweaty already. I'm in the middle of a big climb this morning, and hopefully, I think this is the biggest climb of the day, so hopefully after I make it up this mountain, I'll be smooth sailing from there. I think the plan today is about 15 to 18-ish miles. I'm just gonna kind of see how I'm feeling, and if I find a good spot, stop there. My feet are very swollen. Yesterday it rained all day while we were hiking, pretty much. And I think I just have like a touch of athlete's foot, which I have medicine for. So I have a touch of athlete's foot, and then my toes were just so swollen. So I like spent a long time elevating my feet last night, but still super swollen this morning. So I took some ibuprofen. Hopefully that helps with the swelling a little bit. There is potential for more rain today, so I don't know, depending on how my feet feel, could stop even earlier than 15 miles. So I don't know, I'm just gonna see. But all my clothes were still soaked this morning from the rain and my sweat last night or yesterday, and it was just so humid that nothing's drying out. So I do have one pair of dry socks that I have on currently, and just hiking in like my bra and shorts because my shirt was just totally drenched. Like I could have wrung it out, but yeah. So it's gonna be another hot one today and another long water carry. I think right now I'm in the middle of like an 8-mile water carry. It's just yeah. Spirits are kind of low this morning, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do my best to make it to where I make it and figure it out from there. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted along the way. Chickens, we eating good tonight. Full using these flowers as an excuse to take a break and catch my breath. But they are really pretty. The trail is just kicking my butt today though. Still climbing up Bald Knob. Still dying. I don't think I've sweat this much in my entire life. I mean, it's just like running down me. And I probably only have like 3/10 of a mile to go. I don't want to. I kind of want to cry, but I also feel like that would take a lot of energy. This is not easy. All right, onward. Top of Coal Mountain. Not the best views, but that's okay. There's a little survey marker. More beautiful views. Stunning. It's the end of day 80 and today was such a tough day. There was that really big climb at the beginning of this morning, and then after that, I don't know why, but I just wasn't in the mood to hike today. So I think I ended up only doing like 13 miles or something like that, which is like definitely less than I was like hoping to do, but it's fine. I just feel like some days I just don't want to hike. So I just took it super slow like all day long and just kind of like meandered my way to camp. But I got a super cute camp spot right by a little creek. I was able to soak my feet, which definitely helped with like the swelling. I'm gonna go put on my athlete's foot cream as soon as I get back in my tent, and then hit the hay. Hopefully tomorrow will be somewhat of a better day. Definitely no like huge climbs like there was this morning. I think it's just going to be like a bunch of little up and downs. So I think the plan for tomorrow is to do like 17 miles. And then the day after tomorrow, we should be hitting the Devil's Backbone brew pub, which you can like camp at and whatnot. So that's going to be super cool. So definitely be sure to stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think I'm going to go hit the hay. I tried to dry out some of my stuff today on a beer line, but I don't know, nothing really got that dry. The humidity, just nothing dries. Like, it didn't even really rain today, but everything is still soaked because the humidity just doesn't allow for anything to dry. So that's kind of unfortunate, but it's fine. I still have a dry pair of socks, which is good, and I'm just like doing my best to like keep my feet under control. So yeah, but yeah, be sure to check back tomorrow to see what we end up doing then. And then I'll definitely keep you posted on any change of plans or anything like that. All right, talk to you guys later.